Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Automation Testing Insider. My name is Jitendra and I'm going to start a new series from today onwards on your AI journey for software testing. So in this particular series, I'm going to talk about different tools and technologies in terms of AI for software testing, right? And this series is for everybody, whether you are a manual tester or you have just started your career as a software tester, right? Or you are an automation engineer. So I think this video is for everybody, whether you are a fresher as well. So in this particular video, I'm going to talk about the complete roadmap, what actually we need to learn in terms of AI for software testing, right? So for past few months or a year, AI has become one of the biggest topics in software industry, correct? Every week a new tool appears in the market, and companies announce some AI features, and social media is full of claims that testing will never be the same, correct? And that creates a lot of excitement, but at the same time some confusion as well, like how to start your AI journey, or which tool you need to learn, especially in software testing, right? So the purpose of this series is to cut through the hype, and we will focus on what actually helps tester in real projects. So I think this is going to be an exciting series, guys. So let's talk about the next thing. So if you are really confused about AI, like how to start your career in AI for software testing, or how to learn AI in software testing, right? So if you are really confused, then yeah, this video is for you. And if you come across some of the questions like, will AI replace software testers, or do we need to learn ChatGPT, Copilot, Cloud, or Agentic AI, and are manual testers still relevant, and what should you actually learn to stay ahead in 2026-27? So if you have been asking these kind of questions, then this video is for you. So in the next 10 to 15 minutes, I'll show you the complete roadmap that takes you from knowing nothing about AI to using it confidently in your daily testing work, right? Now let's talk about why AI matters in software testing, right? What are the daily activities which we perform? So whether you are a manual tester or an automation tester, so these are the different tasks which we perform, like reading requirements, writing test scenarios, preparing test cases, creating test data, writing some SQL queries, building automation scripts, debugging failures in automation, reporting defects, and preparing test summaries. So these are the different activities which we perform in our day-to-day life as a software tester, right? So how to overcome the traditional approach, because these are like time consuming process, right? So how to implement AI in our day-to-day activities, that we are going to learn in this series, right? So now I'll take you to the complete roadmap, what actually we are going to learn in this particular series. So this is the complete roadmap, guys, for AI for software testing. Is the complete roadmap, and I have divided them into different phases, right? We'll talk about in the first phase, we'll talk about AI fundamentals. So the basics are very important, understanding the concepts before using the AI tools, right? Some AI basics like what is AI, what is machine learning, and what is deep learning, right? Types of AI. These are the different things which we are going to learn in this phase one. Some core concepts as well, like ML, deep learning, neural networks, generative AI, LLMs, correct? And we'll talk about some different other concepts as well, like tokens, context window, prompt engineering, embedding, vector DB, RAG, MCP, right? So we'll talk about different like fundamentals of AI in this phase one. If we talk about the phase two, I'll walk you through Microsoft Copilot. We can use this AI tool in our daily activities, like we can go for the we can use like some use cases like requirement analysis. We can use it for requirement analysis, test case generation, test data generation, SQL query generations, and there are different activities we can do using Copilot, right? So I'll walk you through this Microsoft Copilot tool in the next phase, and we can create some custom agents as well, right? we'll talk about what are the different agents we can create using a Microsoft Copilot tool. If we talk about the next phase 3, so I'll walk you through Atlassian AI tool, that is Rovo, how we can use AI Rovo tool effectively in our Jira tool, right? So it can be used for search, chat. We can create some agents as well, and I think this is based on the RAG. We'll talk about the RAG, what is RAG, right? And in the next phase we'll talk about X-ray tool, which is nothing but a test management tool, how effectively we can write test cases using AI, X-ray AI. We'll see in phase 4. If we talk about phase 5, how to build AI agents, so this is an important phase where we'll create our own custom agents. What is n@n, right? And how to install it, how to use the nodes, how to how to use variables, expressions, how to create different workflows. We are going to learn using this n@n, right? And we can create our custom agents using n@n workflow as well. And in phase 6 we'll talk about AI for software testing. So we'll apply AI in real testing and automation tasks, how to generate Selenium script, how to generate playwright script, correct? How to, in terms of manual testing, how to create how to do the requirement analysis, and from requirements how to create your test cases, what are the acceptance criteria, risk based testing, how to do, we can learn in this phase 6. We'll talk about some AI API testing as well, database testing, how to do the defect management, correct? And we'll do some Devops integration as well in this phase. And if we talk about phase 7, real world AI projects, so we'll perform some beginner projects. We'll start using some beginner projects like some custom tools using AI test case generator, right? And bug report generator, and we'll do some projects as well, real-time projects as well. So these are the different phases. I have divided this series into different phases, right? So I think this going to be an exciting series, guys, and you'll learn a lot in this series. So in the next video I'm going to talk about the AI fundamentals for quality engineers, correct? Now the questions for you guys, like which tool you are using, you can put in the comment section, and what are the different challenges you are facing in terms of AI usage in your day-to-day activities. And if you have any other questions in your mind, then you can put it in the comment section. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day and keep learning, and we'll start our journey, AI journey, and I'm sure you'll learn a lot in this particular series. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.